Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Spotify tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to recover a deleted Spotify playlist. This is actually quite simple. First we open Spotify, and for this tutorial we will delete this playlist. I right click on the playlist and click on delete. The playlist is now deleted, but how can I recover it? For this I have to go to my Spotify profile. I can get there by clicking on my profile picture at the top right and account. Once in my account I can already find recover playlists here. If I click on it, all the playlists that I have deleted within the last 90 days are displayed. The 90 days are important because I only can recover a playlist within this period. After 90 days the playlist is permanently deleted. But now we want to restore the playlist Awesome Playlists number 1 and click on Restore. Spotify tells me that this has worked and will look again in the app. Whether you can see the playlists again immediately depends a little on how quickly the data is synchronized. If the playlist is not displayed after a short time, simply close the app and open again. After that, you will see the playlist here again. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.